got into a chicken coop. Help the letter E collect eggs. Drag the eggs to the basket. Tap on a chicken to pet it. Like this. E, egg. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Good job! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Ready? Put the letter in its place. Hooray! The danger is over. Clean the word. E, egg. Take a nut for the squirrel.